Is the third time a charm? Stay tuned to see. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's taking a shower. Bandit's sucking up to my mom. Dexter, I don't know what he's doing. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking this out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being part of our YouTube family. I am half dressed for bed. I did have jeans on with this really, it's a really cute outfit, but it is hot. I came home and they didn't even have the air conditioner down here on in the sunroom. And I was like, what? I gotta get on some shorts. But okay, so Betsy's Clothing Boutique has this mystery bag thing. $45. You get 5 items. There is $10 shipping. And the last time I got one bag that was kind of like mid, almost kind of gave me Nadine West vibes. Then my second box was full of like name brands I knew from Stitch Fix and Wannable. So, but it was the large, and so some of the stuff was a little big. So I said, all right, I'm going to give the medium one more shot. Just one more. Now, these are deeply discounted items currently. I did find some of the items from some of my other bags that I got that were originally $58 that were deeply discounted because they have a few left, they're getting rid of them. So that's what you're going to get in here. You could get all their name brand. You could get a mixture of stuff. Let's find out. This one is better than the other medium. Okay, I'm just going to look as I'm taking them out and not peek. So first off, by Jodaful, we have this black top. I'm already liking it. Already happy. It does have the little button so you can kind of somewhat button up the sleeve. Okay. This is, I don't know who it's by. Doe and Ray. And this is a little denim dress. I'm not a denim dress kind of gal, but we'll try it on. We'll see. It does look like the little belt holder thing here is not sewn in, but I mean, that's easy enough to fix. It's it's a one-piece jumper thing. Okay, that's definitely not me. I don't do that. I gotta go to the bathroom way too many times. I don't want to get stripped naked for that. Okay, one win, one loss. Some of you guys may like jumpers. I just don't. Okay. Now this is from Betsy's Boutique. This is the cutest dress. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at that right up there. Oh, good. All right. Okay, 2 wins. Already happy. There's nothing wrong with it. I think I just have to go through too much to be wearing a one piece. I drink about 80 ounces of water before 5 p.m. So, yeah. Okay, all right. This is also by Betseys, and this is a cute t-shirt. And for our last item, oh, loving this already. This is also from Betsy's. Okay, big win. Big win. All right. I'm going to have to go get some jeans, try this stuff on. We'll see how it all looks, and I will be right back. Here is that very first top I pulled out. Love it. I think this is a great kind of loose, you know, I don't know, just kind of nice loose look, kind of a relaxed look. My everyday vibe is relaxed. So here it is, loosely rolled up because it's not a button sleeve. It is kind of a longer sleeve, but you can roll it up some and do that. I really like it. I will definitely be wearing this. The tank top underneath, but yeah, I can see this as just a little, yeah, every day you can dress it up or you can wear jeans with it. All right, let's check out another top. Here is that other t-shirt. Loving this kind of like how it has that part of the sleeve right there. And it is that kind of material that kind of clings and shows every little bump. I mean, these jeans are definitely not tight, but it certainly you can see every little kind of bump, but also just kind of give it a little tuck or I don't know, whatever you want to do with it. Put a little cardigan over it. Maybe stand up straight. That could help. All right, what do you guys think? I think it's super cute. Again, I could probably throw a blazer over it and you're not going to really notice kind of, and that's just the fabric and is what it is, right? All right, let's try another t-shirt. All right, so this t-shirt is super soft. It is like a bigger kind of fit, so you're definitely not seeing like all the little kind of bumps. I love the color. I don't know about the pattern. Like I used to be such a floral girl and like everything floral, yes please. But now, I don't know, I'm kind of like not as big into the florals. So I'm not really sure about this, if this will stay with me or end up elsewhere. It definitely has potential. Like it's big enough that you can do it 80s style. I don't know. Let me know what you think, guys. Can we try in that romper? Right, so I am back with this. I didn't know if I had to wear something under it, so I just put the tank top I was wearing earlier. I don't think you would need anything underneath this. You could go without it, but again, naked. Maybe you want some under it. I don't really know. I don't really wear these things, so I don't really know. I don't necessarily think it's the most flattering style for my body type. I need something a little bit more structured, I feel like. But I think it's, I think it's cute for somebody. I just don't know that it's most flattering for me. I don't know. Guys, let me know what you think. But I'm gonna try that cute dress next. So here is that dress. I think it's maybe meant to be worn like that. I'm not 100% sure. I didn't grab a strapless bra, so I don't know. I don't know if it goes because I thought maybe like that, but then I was like, maybe it comes off. It is super short. Definitely not the right bra for it. But it is super short. I mean, super short, guys. But I love it. Like, I love the colors, the pattern. Like, yes, it's floral, but it's not like big, huge florals. It's just like this really pretty summery design. Thought I felt pockets, but no pockets. But I think it's super cute. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Was this a good deal for $45? I think it was. It is still going on. Last I checked, because I just ordered this like a week ago. It came in super fast. But check it out. They have all different sizes. This is their medium collection. Like I said, a lot of it was their own brand, but I like this one much better than my first one. So good job, Betsy. Good job. All right. Well, please let me know down below in the comments. I already asked you that. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.